Every year at SDC International Shipping, we see thousands of American families pack up their lives and take a leap into something new. A new country, a new chapter, a new beginning. But behind every international move, there's a story, and behind every smooth location, there's a team making sure nothing gets left behind. And this is how SDC International Shipping helps families move from the United States to anywhere in the world. People move overseas for all kinds of reasons. Some chase a better quality of life, some relocate for work, some go to reconnect with family, and others simply want to experience the adventure of living somewhere new. But no matter where you're moving, one thing never changes, and that's the weight of the process. Packing a home, sorting through memories, handling paperwork, understanding customs, it can feel overwhelming. But that's where SDC International Shipping steps in, not just as a moving company, but also as a guide for your entire journey. It begins with a conversation. When you reach out to SDC, you're paired with a dedicated moving consultant, someone who listens to your concerns, your timeline, your destination, and your goals. International moving is not a one-size-fits-all type of proposition. A family moving from Los Angeles to London has different needs than someone relocating from Miami to Singapore. So we build a plan around you, around your home, and your priorities. Whether you need full packing services, climate-controlled storage, vehicle shipping, or help understanding customs, we're here to walk you through every step. And when the big day arrives, your home becomes a carefully coordinated workspace. SDC's packing crew uses international-grade materials, custom crates for fragile items, and a detailed labeling system designed for overseas shipping. From artwork to antiques, to clothes, toys, and everyday essentials, everything is wrapped, documented, and, most importantly, protected. And if you're shipping a vehicle in your container, we secure it safely alongside of your household goods. Once your container leaves your home, the international journey begins. Depending on your destination, SDC coordinates either sea freight or air freight, sometimes a combination of both. Sea freight is ideal for full households and vehicles, while air freight is perfect for smaller, time-sensitive items. Throughout the trip, we track your shipment, monitor its progress, and handle port logistics and documentation. From the U.S. port to the destination port, every stage has specialists ensuring your items arrive safely, on schedule, and prepared for customs clearance. Customs is the part that worries most people, and this is where SDC's experience truly matters. Every country has its own rules, permits, and documents. The team at SDC, however, works with you long before shipping day, so everything is properly prepared, from valued inventories to residency documentation. When your container arrives, our agents at the destination manage the clearance process and keep you updated until everything has been approved. What feels complicated on your own becomes so much simpler with a partner who does this each and every day. Once your shipment clears customs, we deliver it straight to your new home, door-to-door international shipping. Your furniture is brought inside, boxes are placed in the correct rooms, and items are unwrapped with care. This is the moment everything becomes real, when a house slowly starts feeling like your home again. And we're there until the last box is set down, and you can finally take a deep breath and begin your new life abroad. An international move is more than just packing and shipping. It's a life transition. It's emotional, it's exciting, and yes, sometimes maybe even a little bit overwhelming, but with the right team, it doesn't have to be stressful. At SDC International Shipping, we've helped thousands of families relocate from the United States to destinations all over the world. If you're planning a move overseas and want a partner who guides you from door to door, we're here to help. Start your new chapter with confidence. Start it with SDC. For more information, you can visit our main website at www.sdcinternationalshipping.com, or you can call us toll-free 877-339-0267.